Oui, j'ai été au champ un moment, oui, là.
À l'heure où je vous parle, tous les blessés ont pu être pris en charge. Nous dénombrons une centaine de blessés, la plupart grièvement, et malheureusement plusieurs dizaines de personnes sont présumées décédées. Actuellement, la rue centrale de Cran est fermée pour les besoins de l'enquête. S'agissant de la chronologie des événements, voilà ce que je peux vous dire en l'état. Aux alentours de 1h30 du matin, de la fumée a été aperçue émanant d'un bar situé au centre de la station de Cran. Au même moment, un tiers a fait appel au secours en contactant la centrale d'engagement de la police cantonale valaisanne.
Que tourner vers ici. Ouais. Tu peux pas passer nulle part là. C'est tout fermé de manger plus de
Un jour, on a vu des fleurs. Pas qu'à fleurs qu'il y a là. Donc, je ne sais pas.
T'es où un enfant. Un enfant. Ici, Je connais quelqu'un qui peut-être était parmi les victimes que je n'arrive pas à joindre et je suis très inquiète. Je vais essayer de joindre les autres personnes qui connaissent cette dame et pour voir si elle est encore en vie.
I had just come back from my friend's place. We were actually going to go to the bar.
Oh, you're going to go to the Constellation?
Or the one above, but we were on the way there when we saw what happened.
And the place was on fire when you came? It was still a bit like a
Yeah, it
sea on
was.
fire?
You could see the orange, yellow, red. Understandably, they don't want civilians getting in and involving and getting in the way. And many were able to help, carrying, I don't want to say corpses. I think everyone who was out and kind of reactive survived, but carrying bodies out of the fire from there, at least a bit further away. You see there's the Bar 1900, that was the first kind of responding place. They did amazing to stay open. It was warm in there, that was what was needed. As mentioned before, the main, I think, problem was the temperature shock from the heat inside to the cold outside. So one of the priorities was to get everyone warm. And then UBS opened up, so thank you to them also. We pushed all the tables were pushed aside and people entered, and it was warmer in there, there was more light as well, so the triage was done there. All the paramedics, police, not the firemen were out here, but... And then it was just ambulances coming back and forth as much as possible, bringing them down to the Moubra. The Moubra, from my understanding, was for the less severe victims. So basically they told us anyone that can walk, anyone who was pretty conscious can go there. And then the others were taken down to wherever else they're taken to.
So I'll just try and...
By the end, I'm at maximum.
A lot of foreigners too, I imagine.
It was mostly foreigners, actually, I think.